create stunning designs like this in minutes, but don't have time to learn everything in detail, then this video is for you. This is Canva Crash Course, where I will teach how you can create these designs in simple way. We will cover from interface to creating social media posts to some nifty shortcuts. So without wasting your time, let's start the video. First, let's talk about interface. For easy understanding, let's divide interface into 4 parts only. I have divided this so that you won't feel overwhelmed by Canva interface. Starting with number 1. This is side icon where you can access your projects, brand kit, ads. This is the place where you actually start making your designs. These are the quick shortcuts to create your designs. And finally, you can view all your designs here. Nice. Now let's first talk about template. If you are a business person or content creator or someone who don't have time to make design from scratch, then you simply need to type what you are looking for in Canva template library. And you will find all these ready-made templates which are fully customizable. Let me use this template. Now click Customize. Trust me, it's a time saver. Let me teach you how to design this in Canva. Click on Create New Design. If you want to post on social media, then click on any give options. Let's create for Instagram. But before creating this, let's create a simple graphic post first. Similar to previous example, there are only few things to keep in mind, like this side panel. Using Canva, this side panel will be your new best friend, because this is where you will see elements, upload file. Click on Elements tab to search for the graphical elements required for your design or project. Let me search for burger. You can select from here, or you can go to Photos tab and select one you like. I will try to make this design from scratch, starting by changing the background color. Canva has another options, that is to use gradient colors. Let's input other elements onto our design by going into Elements tab. You can switch between different tabs while searching for elements. If you notice, when you click on image, you get edit option. To edit any image, click on this edit option. But for now, we will continue to design our post. Let's input shadow effect for 3D look. Okay, basic elements are ready. Now let's input text and other graphical elements. Again, search in Elements tab. Click on it to bring to your design and adjust it wherever you like. Press backspace to delete it. Let me teach you some nifty shortcuts. Let's use circle in our project. Click on the circle and click this to change the color. On side panel, click text or use shortcut T to bring text box and write your text. Drag it to bring it to your design and adjust. You can further change the text color as well. Click here to change font type. Bring new text box into our design and start writing your text. Change font type as well. You can adjust the direction of the text as well. Simply press Alt and drag the element to duplicate it. Make adjustment to your design. This is simple drag and drop. Now let's talk about elements. This is the place where you put effects to your text. As you can see, there are multiple options to choose from. You can play around and select what suits to your design. For now, I will choose this effect. Moving on and adding some few elements. To complete the design, let's add few more elements. Now let's talk about Design tab. If you are running out of idea on different combination, then simply go to Design, then Styles. Then try different font and color combinations. I find this feature very helpful when I am running out of idea. But let me revert back to my original design. Now let's talk about how you can access your uploaded files in Canva. Click Upload. One of the underrated feature of Canva has to be its app library. Trust me guys, it's a game changer. To learn more about Canva apps, you can check this video. Now here is how you can bring guidelines to your design. Guidelines are necessary for creating any design. Now simply drag from the edge of the screen and bring it to your design. Moving on to the most used shortcuts. I have made separate video on shortcuts, make sure you check that out as well. Moving on to Canva's image editor. I will use uploaded file and adjust its position. Now to edit any image, click on Edit from the above panel. Now you will get this options. These are Canva powerful edit feature. And these are filters. And these are effects, which are like Photoshop. To easily remove background, use this feature. Press Ctrl+Z to undo. But let me show you another powerful technique, which is this magic grab tool. With this tool you can easily grab the subject. If you click on shadows, you will be able to input drop shadow. Or you can get any kind of backdrop to your design. You just need to make some adjustment. Let me show you how to change the color. Click on Adjustment, then scroll down and you will see this option. Now you can change the color as per your need. Okay guys, now let's create this. I will show you the easiest way. Go to search bar and search for bike. Then you will have all these ready-made templates to choose from. I have selected this for my design. Click Customize. Let me adjust the text just beside the motorcycle. Click on Effects and make sure Neon is selected. Click on the text and click on this button. It will duplicate the text. Again, click on Effects for the duplicated text. This time select Hello. Now you will have this transparent type effect. Reduce its thickness. After doing that, select any element and right-click to get this. From here select Layers, then Show Layers. Find the text layers. First let me show you how to bring text behind object. Click on Animate. Scroll down until you see Neon Animation option. After selecting Neon Animation, make sure you select Style to Line or Character, and you will get this design. Now you can adjust the text in any way you want. Just go to Layer and adjust the text. Or just bring it in front. And make sure you download the file in MP4 format.